I am working on a project to activate a viaduct underpass on the south side. We are hoping to hire local south side artists to install interdisciplinary artistic installations to activate a otherwise barren and abandoned space. It's a project that even from the beginning, through the planning stages, I realized that I was using my PM skills just to get it off the ground. The first part of my stakeholder engagement was understanding who exactly is present next to this particular space, identifying those people, and then very honestly reaching out to them and starting to have conversations about how this particular area affects their day-to-day life and if they would like to see it activated in some way. One of the things that was super beneficial for me that I loved was learning about Agile and an iterative approach to your project. Through my project management classes, I'm bringing an organized and planned process and approach to a complex project and an opportunity that will ultimately benefit the neighborhood landscape through an activation of an unused space.